Am I a whore? Siri fix a... I'm literally so tired. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be Siri picks full face makeup. Hey! There is a tag going around where Siri picks a full face of your makeup. Thank you so much.
Are you recording?
I'm recording. Siri is going to pick a full face of makeup for me. And the gaggery is I don't even use Siri like ever. I know I'm probably like 0.0.0.1% of people in the world who don't use Siri, but I don't talk to her because I don't know her and I do not need her in my life. She be listening to conversations that I'm trying to have in private. Oh, to do this video, I literally had to go in my settings and set up Siri and like talk to her because I seriously never, ever, ever, ever use her. I'm gonna ask her for makeup and I'm gonna pick the first one that comes up. Stephanie Tom created this video. Hers is amazing. I will link it in the description box down below so you can click and subscribe to her and show her some love from the LauraLee family. And I really love doing fun tags like this because I feel like there's so many makeup tutorials on YouTube. It's just like, this is a makeup tutorial, but there's like this really fun spin on it, and I don't even get to pick my makeup that I'm wearing, which God hope Siri's on my side, even though me and her don't really know each other. We'll work it out. We'll work it out. Sing the subscribe song, and then we'll jump right into this video. Let's do it in hopes that Siri hooks me up with some good stuff. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe! Ooh, there was a little remix in there. Oh my God, we're getting crazy today. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So first things first is facial primer. That's where I start my makeup. So I think you just talk to your phone. Do you just talk? You just talk to your phone. Okay. Siri, please pick. Hey Siri. Please pick a facial primer.
My web search turned something up for please pick a facial primer. Have a look.
I did this wrong. Find a facial primer.
I found something on the web
What
for
is
find
she
a facial
doing?
primer.
Facial primer. Facial primer.
Primer. Check it out.
I literally had to pause and go back and watch the other videos on this to figure out how they're asking Siri because, hey Siri, show me pictures of facial primers.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library. Here are some images from the web.
The first picture she picked was this e.l.f. facial primer right here, and I actually think I do have this hydrating one. Let me go get it. I'll be right back. Oh, we have it on deck, and this one looks brand new, so how fun. We're like testing out new makeup and just having a good old time, and I love a hydrating facial primer. So this one looks like a clear gel. Let me get my mirror set up. Skin. This one, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it feels moisturizing, but it feels greasy AF. Like, it doesn't feel like a cooling gel. It feels like grease. Like, I just put... Do you see that shine, girl? Ooh, this one scares me. I literally just put grease on my face. I hope it dries down. I don't know why I'm panicking already, but it looked cool, and then I rubbed it in. I was like, oh! Hey, Siri, show me pictures of makeup foundation.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library. Here are some images from the web.
So it's like bundles of them. So let me ask this in a different way. Hey Siri, show me a picture of a makeup foundation.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library.
Freaking whore. Show me a picture of makeup foundation.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library.
Hey Siri, show me makeup foundation.
I found this on the web for makeup
So
foundation.
I'm just gonna click
Take a look.
this website. Sephora, like I don't know what this website is. Okay, the first one is Fenty, so can that count? Because we're struggling. The Fenty foundation, let me go get that and I'll be right back, okay? This is number 280, and I'm gonna apply this to my face with my Y6 Brush Morphe. Y6 Brush Morphe. Girl, this ain't the Y6! This is a Y7.
Oh.
I didn't even look at it, I just saw the gold handle and I grabbed it. Little over here, little everywhere. I think I finally found my shade. It took me long enough, but 280 is just it with Fenty. Like, it's my exact shade. And to reference, if it helps you guys, I believe I'm like an NC35 from MAC. Show me pictures of concealer.
I couldn't find any matches in your
She
photos
understood
library.
me. Tarte-shaped tape it is. That's a good one. I have the Tarte-shaped tape in light medium, and I'm gonna apply this to my face. Now that we have, I'm actually gonna use an Artiste brush to blend this out, by the way, but now we have applied the Tarte-shaped tape, I'm just gonna blend her right on out. Okay, we have got to get a facial product, facial powder. Hey, Morphe. Hey, Siri. Show me a picture of a loose setting powder.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library.
Laura
Here are
Mercier.
some images from the web.
She knows me. Oh my god, like all these are Laura Mercier. Literally, they're all Laura Mercier except for this one, and I don't even know what this one is. I literally have it sitting right here. She's almost empty.
Set it and forget it. Set it and forget it.
Oh, let's do bronzer next. Hey Siri, show me a picture of a bronzing powder.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos
What is
library.
this? This doesn't tell me what this is. Girl, she's on Bing. She ain't even on Google. What is going on? Okay, this is a MAC. Oh, it's a MAC powder. I'm pretty sure it's Give Me Sun, but Give Me Sun does not work for my skin. Let me just look and see and try to make this work. Give Me Sun, that's definitely, I'm like 90% sure that's what was in the picture. So I'm gonna use it because that's the video and that's the challenge. We'll just blend it for like 3 days and eventually we'll get a bronzy look. Actually, I mean, it looks a little orange, but honestly, it's good enough. It's not so bad. So I'm just gonna keep blending this on in. Alright, hey, let's move on to blush. Hey Siri, show me pictures of blush.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library.
Milani, the
Here are some
Milani
images
flower
from the web.
brush. Blush. Right there she is. This is actually one of my favorite drugstore blushes, so here we have our blush, and I'm just going to use this E4 brush to apply it to my face. Just right on my face. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. I like this angled brush because it just swoops right in the cheek. Just. The next part is super fun. Actually, girl, let me get this powder on my face so we can stop being distracted. We'll do highlighter, which I'm really excited to see what she pulls for me in the highlighter department. Hey Siri, show me pictures of facial highlighter.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library.
Okay, you're not understanding what I'm asking for.
Hey Siri, show me photos of a blinding highlighter.
Matches in your photos library. Here are some images from the web.
Hey Siri, show me photos of a makeup highlighter.
In your photos
Because it just
library.
pulls up girls'
Here are some
faces. It's
images
a
from
lie. Hey Siri, show me photos of a makeup brand.
I couldn't find any matches.
Shop for a makeup brand highlighter. Hey Siri, show me photos of a makeup
Photos library. Here are some.
Hey Siri, show me pictures of a makeup highlighter for sale.
I found something on the web about the best makeup highlighter to buy.
Clicking it. I'm clicking it because at this point, I think I don't know what to do. So I asked Siri again the same question, and I clicked the link, and it took me to Sephora's bestseller highlighters. So I'm going with the coconut gel highlighter from Marc Jacobs. That is the first one on the page. If I don't do that, I will eventually leave this video with no highlighter on. Oh, we have a winner. I thought this was gonna be like, honestly, the easiest video ever to film, and now I'm quickly finding out different. I squirt some out on this brush so we don't get too much. And this highlighter is really pretty, and then I'm just gonna dab it out. This also works well with a beauty blender. Oh my gosh, I am highlighted. We are moving on. Life is good. Oh my gosh. Ah. Show me a picture of the most popular brow pencils. Hey Siri, show me a picture of a good brow pencil. All right, so now we have options. I don't know what that is, but let me click here. We have Ulta, Clinique, Dior. I think I have this Dior one right here. I'll screenshot that. Do I have enough brow pencils? And how do I, okay, here's the Dior one. Thank God. I was like, please tell me it's in here. We have a little spoolie. The thing is, this one is the shade brown, but it looks kind of taupey, but we have to make it work because that is the challenge. Go ahead and paint this brow on. Just as I suspected, this brow pencil is very taupey. So the brow pencil actually comes off taupey, but you can build this one up to get it deeper, which I really liked about this pencil. So I'm digging it, and this is the first time, I believe it's the first time I've used this pencil, but yeah, I liked it. So we have a win here. Thank you, Siri, for cooperating with me. Hey Siri, show me a picture of an eyeshadow palette. This is just like a random eyeshadow palette, and this is a Kat Von D one that I don't have. And hey Siri, show me pictures of a popular eyeshadow palette.
Here are some images from the
Okay.
web.
I have like all of these. Modern Renaissance. I think I got rid of this one in my makeup clean out video, but if not, I'll grab this Modern Renaissance palito. I did get rid of it. I thought this was it, but it is not. Oh, Modern Renaissance it is. I've used this on my channel before, so sorry for being a repeater and using the same palette again, but let's create a real pretty look with this palette. What do I want to do today? So I'm going to first go in with Love Letter, which is this pinky matte. Actually, it's got a little sparkle to it, but it's more of a matte fuchsia color. And I'm just going to blend back and forth. And I'm using a medium size blender for the start of this look. Just have the concealer down on my eyelid as an eyeshadow primer. So that will help everything stick and you can get the max pigmentation out of the shadow. Next up, I'm going to go into this a little bit of a deeper red shade. It's not as pink, it's more maroon deep. I'm going to use the same brush, and again, I'm just going to pop this right up in that crease to deepen it up. This will be a really pretty Valentine's look, but right now we're focusing on Halloween, so yeah. And I'm just going to work it on the outer corner as well. Really tiny, small, circular motions. Have you guys, and tell me the truth, don't lie to me, have you guys ever blended so much that literally your wrist was hurting? Because I know that like that is absolutely the story of my everyday life. Next, I want to just take on a cleaner brush this burnt orange color and Realgar, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm going to take it on an R39 brush, just a little bit. And I don't even know what I want to do with it. I just want to like add it up in here, up in this area to warm it up even more. How much warmth can this warmy look get? And bring it on down, which again, I'm still using that burnt orange shade. And I'm just gonna bring it all the way to that inner corner. And I literally just took it from the outer corner and just went. I feel like I want to deepen the eye just like a little bit more. So I'm gonna mix together Cypress Umber. Did I say that? Cypress Umber and Red Ochre. And I'm just gonna plop it right into the crease, because she loves a dark crease, y'all. Next, I'm going to get some concealer on an M421 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and carve out, I have a little booger hanging out. I'm just gonna carve out my eyelid. I'm gonna grab an M224 brush, and I'm gonna take this shimmery goldy shade right here. Yeah, I think that's, I'm like, is that the color that I want? Yeah, that's the color I'm gonna take. There's not like 3 shimmer shades in this palette, and they all pretty much look the same. Here we go, we're just gonna pack her on. I'm gonna go back in with that red shade, that maroony shade, and I'm just gonna soften up where they meet. I'm going to go back in with Red Ochre, and I'm going to mix this reddish shade too, these two at the bottom, and I'm going to blend them on the lower lash line because I really want this to be like very intense and smoky. Whenever I do red on my lower lash line, sometimes it looks like I have pink eye, and sometimes it just looks really cool, and you just gotta hope for the best. Next, I'm going to take Vermeer, and this is just a little bit lighter of a shimmer, and I'm going to pop this into the inner corner as well as my brow bone. A little there. Siri, show me a picture of a mascara. No, nothing. Okay, ignore me. Show me a picture of a mascara.
Couldn't find any matches in your photos library.
Avon. I don't think I have that, but I'll check. I know I don't have the Charlotte Tilbury, but I do have this Tarte one right here. So let me go look. Tarte mascara it is. Apparently I did not. So here we are with our Tarte mascara. Our eyes are done, so now let's do lashes, which hopefully I'll have some of the lashes they pull up. Siri, show me pictures of eyelashes to buy. Yeah, these are like random lashes. So as I assumed,
I don't
don't know what these are. Siri, show me the best eyelashes to buy. Eyelashes according to makeup artist. Let's see what the T is. Ardell Fashion Lashes. I have some Ardell lashes. Oh, all these are like Ardell. Ardell. Allure. I don't think I have Salon Perfect. I have Kiss. So I'll look for some Ardell, and if I don't find Ardell, I will go to Kiss Lashes. Lily Lashes, I'm forsaking you. I only had these two lashes from Kiss. I love Kiss Lashes, so yeah, I'm gonna go with, girl, what's the name of these? We're gonna try these. These are Beehive. All right, I just stuck these onto my eye. Ooh! Now we just gotta wait on the lash glue to dry. Give it a little bit of extra drama. I'm just gonna add a little end piece of this. Y'all know I love to double stack, so I'm going to take Updo and just apply the edge of Updo on top of Beehive. That drama honestly looks so pretty. Girl, I think I'm gonna add the whole lash. Like, I think I'm just gonna double stack both of them and just wear 2 pairs of lashes today. It literally looks like an expensive mink eyelash. I love the lashes. Okay, we have lips and setting spray, and then we are finished. Hey Siri, show me a picture of a liquid lipstick. Yes, ma'am. Yes, you did. You found matches. Okay, so this, it does not tell me the shade name, but it's by ABH, and I think I know what shade this is. All right, so I'm pretty sure that this, I like compared them all, but I'm pretty sure it's Vamp. Such a pretty color. Kidding me? Hey Siri, show me a picture of a setting spray. Here we go. We got a lot, but we have Urban Decay and NYX. I know I have one of these two, so let me go get it. The picture of the Urban Decay one is the Slick, and that is the one that I have on deck. So let me give my face a little squirty squirt. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Oh my gosh, Siri is a little frustrating. I don't know how people use her all the time. Maybe they're more used to it. Again, this was like one of my first times actually using Siri. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe today. Also, this is like definitely a fall time makeup look. So if you needed some inspo for a fall time makeup look, girl, I got you right here. This is it. This is your look. So that's the end of this video. Also, I'm going to be traveling so much in November, so I need to pre-film some videos. So if you have some video ideas that you want to see me film for you, comment down below. Comment down below, and yeah, I'll do that for you. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here and watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey. We say no. Who's texting me? Girl, I'm going to see A Star Is Born tonight, and I'm going to go cry all this makeup off in the theater because I hear it's sad. Yeah. All right. See you later.